1, 2, 3, start. Under the old rules, government servants were debarred, except with the previous sanctions of the government, to engage in any trade or undertake any employment of work other than their official duties. Full stop. This restriction has been relaxed by an amendment of Rule 16 to enable non gazetted government servants to undertake without prior permission of the government small business which should absorb family labor only. Full stop. But they are required to submit details of any such business undertaken by them along with their assets statement. Full stop. Previously, adequate powers were not available with the government to effectively deal with cases of subletting of accommodation allotted to government servants from the estate office pool or of government servants who live beyond their means or indulge in ostentation on occasions of marriage or other ceremonies. Full stop. Two new rules have been added in the rules to discourage these tendencies among the government servants. Full stop. Under Rule 16A, subletting of accommodation cannot be done without prior permission of the head of department. Under Rule 16B, living beyond one's means and indulging in the ostentation on occasions of marriage or other ceremonies has been explicitly forbidden. Full stop. Minor amendments have also been made in Rules 21 and 22 to enable the government servants to participate in television program with prior permission of government. Full stop. It may also be stated that any infringement of the conduct rules has been included in the term misconduct in the government servants efficiency and discipline rules 1960. It is requested that above provision of the government servant conduct rules 1966 as amended up to date may please be brought to the notice of government servants concerned. Full stop. References are frequently received inquiring about the policy regarding the grant of permission to government servants for private practice in the homeopathy system of medicine. Full stop. The President's Secretariat Establishment Division therefore consider it necessary to draw the attention of all the ministries, oblique divisions, etc., to the instructions which envisage that permission for private practice by unqualified practitioners should not be granted. Full stop. The above instructions are reproduced as an annexure to this office memorandum for guidance of all the ministries oblique divisions. Full stop.